Summary Chapter 3. The Necklace. Mathilde Loisel lived in a small flat with her husband who worked as a clerk for the Minister of Education. Mathilde was a very pretty young lady. Neither did they live a luxurious life, nor were they poor. Mathilde was very unhappy because she always thought that she was born for all luxuries in the world, but she had to live a petty and simple life. Her husband brought an invitation to a dinner party organized by his office. He thought his wife would be excited, but instead she was upset. She complained that she had nothing suitable to wear to such a great occasion. Her husband generously agreed to give her 400 francs that he had saved to buy a new rifle to get herself a dress. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend Madame Forestier for the party. Mathilde and her husband attended the party, and unfortunately, she lost the necklace. They had to replace the necklace. They found a similar kind of necklace. The cost of the necklace was 36,000 francs. Her husband inherited 18,000 francs from his father, and he borrowed the rest of the amount from the moneylenders. Finally, they purchased the necklace, and Mathilde gave it to Jeanne, who did not care to look at it. Mathilde's life changed dramatically in the next 10 years. They moved to a much smaller apartment where she cooked and cleaned herself. Her husband did multiple jobs, and she also did other work to pay for all the money they had borrowed. After 10 years, they were able to pay all the money back, but by then Mathilde had aged a lot. One day, Mathilde met Jean Forestier. Mathilde told her that she had lost the necklace that she borrowed from her and had to pay a huge amount for the replacement. Jean was shocked to hear the entire story behind the necklace, and she confessed that the necklace Mathilde borrowed was a fake, which was not more than worth 500 francs.